Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Dear friend, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel for further updates and further information. Okay, today I am going to explain the vacancies in National School of Drama. Okay. So different type of vacancies in different type of categories. So yeah, total number of posts in 26. Available is National School of Drama in New Delhi. Okay. So now see the notification for vacancies. So play the National School of Drama, an autonomous institution under Ministry of Cultural, Government of India, invites application for various vacant posts. Okay, so different type of vacancies is available. Okay, the details of vacant posts are indicated below. So number 1, librarian, the one post in this category. So community is general. Okay, so basic pay is level 10. Okay, so librarian post, one post is available. Communities category is general. Basic pay is level 10. Then another next post is assistant director, official language. Okay, composite method by deputation, including short-term contract or promotion. Okay, vacancies 1, number 1. Okay, vacancies 1 post. This also general category. Basic pay is level 10. Next, PS2 director. Okay, this vacancy is 1, general category, level 7. Basic pay is level 7. Next, sound technician. Okay, sound technician, vacancy is 1 post, general category, level 7. Okay, next, upper division clerk. Okay, upper division clerk is vacancies 2. Okay, 2 number of posts available in upper division clerk. Community is SC1, ST1. So 2 communities available. So basic pay is level 4. Okay, next, reception in charge, number of vacancies 1, general category, basic pay level 4. Next, assistant photographer. So yeah, number of vacancies 1, general category, level 4, basic pay. Okay, got the percussionist. Percussionist. So yeah, grade 3. Percussionist, grade 3. Okay, number of vacancies 1, general category, level 4. Next, carpenter, grade 2. Vacancy post is 1, general category, level 4, basic pay. Next, electrician, grade 1. Okay, electrician, grade 1, number of post is 1, general category. Master tailor, number of post is 1, general category, level 4 pay. Lower division clerk. Okay, lower division clerk, number of post is 1, OBC category, level 2, basic pay. And last of position is multitasking staff. Okay, this is a big vacancies. 13 posts is available. General 5, SC 2, ST 1, OBC 4, EWS 1. So 13 posts is available for multitasking staff. Basic pay is level 1. Okay, so this this category is available. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 category post of available in National School of Drama. Okay, so next, candidates are required to apply online only by using the website. Okay, go to http recruitment.nst.gov.in or http nst.gov.in. So visit NST website. So apply. These are posted. Okay, last date of receipt of application is 6/11/2020. Okay, last date of receipt of application is 6/11/2020. Okay, then age relaxations. Age relaxation is also applicable in as per government rules. Okay, employee of National School of Drama are entitled to age relaxation as per revised recruitment rules of NST and DOPT guidelines. Okay, next, travel expenses. So no TADA will be paid by the National School of Drama for attending the interview. Okay, however, candidates belonging to SC/ST category will be paid second class of railway or bus fare by the shortest route from their place of residence to New Delhi and back of production of railway or bus tickets or receipts. Okay, then further, number of posts are vary. Sorry, so number of posts may vary, and the National School Drama reserves the right to increase or decrease number of posts and may or may not fill any post. Okay, and its decision in the record shall be final. Okay, so vacancy increase or decrease as per administration. Okay, application for above vacancy post with a reference to the advertisement dated 15/6/2019 issued earlier are required to apply a fresher. Okay, so this post of available in National School Drama School in New Delhi. So candidates, please go to recruitment.nsc.gov.in and apply online. The last date of application is 6/11/2020. Age relaxation is applicable as per government rules. No TADA available. No DADA வந்து applicable. So post or increase or decrease as per school administration. Okay, then application fee and mode of payment. So application fee for of 200 rupees for general. Okay, applicant fee 200 rupees for general and 100 rupees for OBC non-creamy layer. Okay, is to be paid online through net banking, credit or debit card. Okay, so general category is on application fee on the 200 rupees, 100 for OBC. Candidate belonging to SC, ST or person with disability for reservation are exempt from paying application fee. So SC, ST, PWT are accepted for application fee. Okay, fee once paid will not be refunded under any circumstance. So once fee paid, it's not refunded. Okay, so these are category posts are available in national schools. So dear friends, so you are eligible candidates, please apply. These are this post is a very high pay post of available. Okay, so please try and all the best for the apply. Okay, all the best, also all the best for the getting the job. So yeah, okay, so please subscribe my channel.